In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of a young entrepreneur who didn't give up on starting his business even after being impacted by the pandemic. Kian Morgan reports.
This is Jamani Tomlin from Montego Bay, St. James. And at just 12 years old, he's the CEO of 876 Rug Dealer, a company which specializes in customized planter boxes and doormats. Inspired by his mother's entrepreneurship, Jamani says starting his own business was inevitable.
I started saving up my lunch money, but very soon after the pandemic came, all the schools were shut down, so I wasn't given any more lunch money to save up.
But he wasn't discouraged. Instead, he sought another way to support his savings.
I asked my family members for a contribution of $1,000, and they all agreed.
And with enough capital and some assistance from his mother, Jamani was able to start his business earlier this year.
After having all this free time on my hand, I would browse through the internet and I would see a lot of people making planter boxes and doormats for a living. So I decided I should try doing this as well.
So far, he's living his best life.
I've had so many people supporting me all over the world, and at times it's overwhelming because people are just so nice and they have such nice things to say.
Busy as a bee, but he still tries to enjoy his childhood.
My friends, they also support me, but I have to also try and find time to talk to them because I have so many orders coming in. But when I do have the chance, I try to catch up.
Jamani says running a business at such a young age comes with discipline.
I used to have a saving pan, and every time I would have any kind of money, I would rush to my room and I would put the money in there. I would never think about trying to take money out of it.
The end goal:
saving up as much money as I can from the business, and then I use that money to start other businesses, and then I will become a billionaire.
He's encouraging other children to dream big.
Doing this makes me happy. Do what you love, and you'll just do it for the rest of your life.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.